When Canva does not load, it usually happens at the worst time. The page opens, but nothing shows up. Designs stay blank. The home screen freezes. A message appears saying designs could not be loaded. At that moment, it is not clear if the problem comes from the device, the internet, or Canva itself. By the end of this tutorial, that confusion will be gone and the problem will feel much easier to handle. Start by looking closely at what Canva is doing. Open Canva in the browser and wait a few seconds. If the page loads but projects do not appear, or the editor refuses to respond, this often means Canva is having a temporary server issue. When this happens, refreshing the page again and again does not fix it. It can actually slow things down more. The best move here is to pause for a few minutes and check again. Canva stores designs safely, so nothing is lost during this time. Now, move to the next situation. Canva does not open at all, or it stays stuck on a white or gray screen. This usually comes from the browser. Open the browser and click the three dots in the top right corner. Click Settings. Scroll down and open Privacy and Security. Click Site Settings. Scroll down and click JavaScript. Make sure JavaScript is set to sites can use JavaScript. If it is blocked, turn it on. Close the settings tab and reload Canva. JavaScript is required for Canva to work. If it's disabled, Canva cannot load the editor or designs. Next, check browser extensions. Extensions like ad blockers and security tools sometimes block Canva scripts without warning. Click the three dots again. Click Extensions. Turn off all extension temporarily. Now reopen Canva and check if it loads correctly. If Canva works now, one of the extensions caused the problem. Extensions can be turned back on later, one at a time, to find which one breaks Canva. Now move to Cache Data. Old browser data often causes loading errors. Open browser settings again. Click Privacy and Security. Click Delete Browsing Data. Switch to the Advanced tab. Set the time range to all time. Check cookies and other site data. Check cached images and files. Before continuing, remember login details for important websites. Click Delete Data. Close the browser completely, open it again and go to the Canva. If Canva still does not load, check the internet connection. Canva needs a stable connection, not just a fast one. Restart the Wi-Fi router. Switch to another network if available. If using Wi-Fi, test mobile data as well. Once the connection changes, reload Canva and check again. If the problems continues, Canva may be down for everyone. Open another website to confirm the internet works. Then search online for Canva status updates. If many users report the same issues at the same time, the problem is on Canva's side. In this case, editing should stop. Repeated refreshing can cause syncing issues. Waiting is the safest option, and Canva usually fixes server problems quickly. Now use the final fix. Restart the device. Close all apps. Restart the computer or phone. After the restart, open the browser and visit Canva again. These steps clears background memory, browser conflicts, and temporary errors that block Canva from loading. After following these steps, Canva usually returns to normal. Designs load again. The editor responds properly. Stress fades away because the cause becomes clear. The key point is control. Canva loading problems follow patterns. Each pattern has a simple check and a clear fix. Once these steps are known, Canva stops feeling unpredictable. The next time the screen freezes or designs refuse to load, the solution will already be in reach and work can continue without panic.